Sex and sexuality many times in many families are seen as a taboo subject that never gets spoken about. And because they're so taboo, many times we start having tensions within our pelvis and within our hip. And this area is filled with a lot of tension. And bioenergetic exercises help us to release those tensions so that we can feel much more free.
A little while you feel so long, till I can be with you once more.
The side-to-side pelvic movement. What you do is you stand on both your feet about 12 inches apart. They should be parallel. Bend your knees about halfway. Then you shift the weight of your body onto one of your feet. Let's start with your left foot without moving the right one. And you swing the pelvis to that side on the left side by pressing on to the left foot. The upper part of your body should stay relatively straight and inactive during this exercise. And allow yourself to breathe deeply during each side. Then slowly shift the weight on the right foot and swing the pelvis to the right side, pressing down on the right foot. And begin to notice, are you allowing yourself to breathe fully into your belly? Do you sense the movement of the pelvis coming from the ground as you press down on each foot? Make sure you're doing it slowly and allowing yourself to feel how your pelvis moves. This exercise is a circular pelvic movement. So you start off with your feet about 12 inches apart, parallel, your knees slightly bent. Again, you're not going to want to use a lot of your upper body for this, and you're really going to want to feel down into your feet while allowing your weight to move with your pelvis. So you're going to start shifting your weight to the left, and you're going to do this slowly at first, and press down on that left foot and let the pelvis move to the left. Then you're going to move towards the center, and both your weight is going to be evenly distributed on the forward of your feet. You're always going to be on the forward balls of your feet. Then you go to your right side and you do it, and you want to do it in a circular motion. Do a few rounds of that, and then turn around and do it the opposite round. So it'd be counterclockwise and then clockwise. This next exercise is a forward and backward pelvic movement, and you start with your feet about 12 inches apart, your knees bent about halfway, and your feet parallel. Make sure during this exercise that you keep all the weight of your body on the balls of your feet. And what you're going to do is you're going to arc your back, your lower back, and moving your pelvis backwards. You'll breathe in and then breathe out as you swing your pelvis forward by pressing on the balls of your feet, and then repeat for about a minute and let yourself feel your pelvis swinging backwards and forwards while your weight is always on the forward part of your feet.